Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Tuesday, May the 24th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room. It is a free room. You do not have to be a subscriber to Trade Ideas. You can log in as a guest. I share my screen all day long and I'm live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And if you would like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is the link to use, and you can use the promo code HOLLY, HOLLY, all in capital letters, HOLLY25, which will get you a discount off our our monthly, our annual, and our premium services. And just another word, the premium services will not be offered as a lifetime license after May the 30th. So if you want to get in before that happens, you have to do it by May the 30th. All right, let me talk about some of the interesting trades we had today. All right, well, the first one, of course, have to talk about is SPEX, S-P-E-X. Another one of those crazy low floaters. I think there's less than 3 million in the float, and we noticed this one. It closed at $1.95 yesterday, May 24th. So this is the pre-market, and look at this. I mean, this again closed at $1.93 yesterday. So in the pre-market, got as high as 354. So we're all watching this. Very difficult to get into this one without really chasing it. I did take this trade. I wouldn't recommend exactly what I did, but I took this at 443 and traded it out at 463 and 465. Just could not find a way to get onto this. Was actually hoping that maybe it would just settle just a bit here and then pop up. But again, you don't with these super low floaters, you just have to really it's almost trial and error about where you're going to get in, or just leave it alone. Again, I would not recommend that you chase this. Though when I looked at it, it looked like the when I was looking at the time and sales, it looked like it was just getting bid stronger and stronger and stronger. So that's why I took the risk on it, and slightly rewarded on it. Now let's take a look at another one, QGen. Actually, no, not QGen. I want to take a look at DSW. DSW earnings play. We saw this, identified this in the pre-market as an earnings play that was obviously getting beat up somewhat. And I kept waiting for this 19 break, and we finally got it. Took a while. This is, these are 30-minute, almost 30 to 45 minutes before it finally really broke down through 19. Ended up taking the short at right here at 1890, and moved very quickly. Here we had this took a while before it broke down through 19. But this was a nice smart move very quickly, and exited it out at 1855, and then as it moved back up, got out the rest. So, obviously hoping to get a little bit more out of it, but not bad. The other one was NTRA. And NTRA, if you listened to my video yesterday, talking about this one as a potential swing trade. So let's take a look at the daily chart. You'll see why this one is rather interesting on the daily chart. So you see right here, this is the level that it had to break, 1213. All right, there we go. So there's a level that it had to break, which was, there we go, about 1213. It happened yesterday briefly. It pulled back down. But this is why I'm interested in it, of course, because you have a void up to here, 1664, so it's over $4 on the void. So I ended up taking this trade. It took a while. Let's get back to say a 15-minute time frame. It chopped around a little bit in this area, got all the way down to 1190, but I ended up taking this trade at the price here, 1222. So put in a bar here. It's approximately at 1222. And now, a little bit of froth here, obviously, but this is in my opinion, just some craziness. I don't know why that happened, because it just basically went right back up again. But I am looking to swing this, and I don't normally swing stocks, but this one just has that look about it that if it can keep moving. The IBB, which is the ETF for the biotech sector, this is in that sector. It is starting to move up a little bit. If you take a look at a daily on the IBB, starting to crawl back now. Maybe we can get back to this level, and my goodness, maybe we can even get up to 300 at some point. But so when I look at the sector, and I look at this break right here, and I look at this void, I just think, well, I've got to take this chance. Not, I shouldn't say chance. I mean, it just looks like an interesting play. And as long as IBB remains reasonable, we don't want to see a day where it loses 20 points tomorrow, because it'll probably drag anything down in that sector. But right now, this is definitely reasonable. If it went down below 12, I would probably have to revisit it. But again, because it's a swing trade, I have a longer, wider stop, fewer shares, and because you do have to withstand some of the gyrations that you're going to get if you were looking to swing something. So that really is it. I know I did trade OLED, OLED, turned out to be a pretty nice trade. Let's see what else. I think that's it. A little bit distracted today. Had some other commitments that I had to worry about during the trading day, so a little bit distracted. But again, I don't think we're too late. If you're looking at NTRA, as long as it doesn't go up to $13 today, I mean, from my point of view, it would be wonderful. But if it still hangs in this area, it may still be a decent entry tomorrow. Especially if it pulled back just a little bit. But even if it didn't pull back, I mean, just look at that daily from before, and definitely has a nice void that could be attacked. All right, I'll get back to the trading room right now, and let me just bring back the cover page. Again, this is the address to get into the room. It's a free room. Share my screen all day long, live on the mic. Usually open the room at about 8:45. That's when I start sharing my screen. I get onto the mic at 9 o'clock and usually run till about 4, of course, all times Eastern Daylight Time. The link to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, you can use this. And the promo code this week is Holly, Holly, all in capital letters, Holly25, and that will get you a discount off our monthly or annual or our premium package. All right, well, thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.